Well, this is one of those projects that you're very proud to be part of. It really does a substantial, significant improvement to the community, and to see the excitement about this is fantastic. What we did with the design on this is that the building itself is going to be restructured as green as possible. We're using recycled tires for the roofing, which is a new procedure for us. This is something we're looking to do in the majority of buildings that we do roofing on. We just figure it's the way to go. Secondly, what we want to do here is we want to make sure that the interior is as green as possible and state-of-art as possible. Long-lasting, low maintenance is our goals with all these projects. We want to make sure that these projects aren't something that will become a maintenance nightmare for us, and I think we've done that in our design. By next year, July of next year, or actually Memorial Day is the goal that we're shooting for. Memorial Day of next year, the pool on the other side will be done. It'll be a pool within a pool. We're able to save $200,000, $300,000 by putting this pool within a pool and minimizing the gallons of water that we're losing because of the thinness of the material we're able to use to build that. The infrastructure of the building behind you is sound, and that allows us to keep the cost down, and that's very significant. This is not going to be a demo. This is going to be enhancing a beautiful older building. Any questions on that?
Did you talk about the roof materials?
Yes, I did. The roof material is as you see down here, some of these green materials here and some of these samples. These are made from recycled tires. This is the way to go. We don't have to put these in a landfill. These are a great product. They have a 30 to 40 year wear life, which is better than regular shingles. So this is one of the projects that we're excited. One of our first ones that we're using, and we're going to be using these in all the projects that we can. The pools throughout the city of Buffalo, we feel need some work, and that was one of the reasons why this is occurring here. The agreement between the county and the city was that the city is responsible for capital, and there's a maintenance agreement that they're responsible for maintenance. The county would be responsible for maintenance. And we were evaluating all the pools at this time, coming up with a final report, feeling what should be the direction for the future for the pools. Where are we going to be 5 years from now? The effectiveness of the pools that we have out there. And also with a construction project like this, we're making these as low maintenance as possible so we don't run into a big maintenance issue once we build these buildings and have a maintenance problem. So we'll have a report in the next couple of weeks, or next week I would say, and we would turn it over to the mayor.
Are there others that are a high priority like this one?
Yeah, we will address those through the mayor's office. Obviously, I'll give them a list and recommendations, and then they'll look at those and go from there.
You might mention Martin Luther King Park and the bathrooms there.
Martin Luther King Park was one that we were addressing. There were some concerns out there where the city stepped in and I felt was a maintenance issue, but we addressed those. We're trying to make sure that every park, whether there's a pool there or not, is in an adequate condition, and that's our goal as the city of Buffalo.
This pool was originally closed. Why?
That I don't know. I don't know that one. I wish I did. I would probably fear because of the age of the building. There was a tear in the liner, and that's why. Maybe it was an inferior material. Where the material we're going with is there won't be that problem, won't be a liner-based material. This facility's been in operations for 55 years, from my understanding.
Is it that long?
Yeah, it's been out there for a while. So
The liner cost, the transfer was like $500,000 for the liner being installed.
Pardon me?
The liner, when it was 3 years ago, it was like $500,000 to replace the liner.
Right, and what? $650. Mr. Davis said $650, but what we're looking at is not a liner product. We're going to build a pool within a pool because the external structures, the decking and everything, if you check out the pool area over there, is sound. It was very well constructed. It's just the pool itself is what needs enhancement.